BW Healthcare 40 Under 40 Awards and Summit. So can you please briefly introduce yourself?
Hi, thank you for inviting me over here, and I'm Sanjeev Vashishta, Managing Director and CEO of Pathkind Diagnostics.
Yes, sir. So the first question I would like to ask you is, with technological advancements in the healthcare sector, how do you feel the need to ensure financial sustainability?
I think I would rather reframe the question: what is the role of technological advancements to bring out the cost efficiencies? So if you ask me really, we are trying to solve for three problems. One is the accessibility, second is the affordability, and third is the accuracy or superior quality, whether it's diagnostics or healthcare. Now the point is that, can we do without using technology to make accessibility happen, to make affordability happen, or for that matter make accuracy happen? No. So clearly, whatever technological advancements are being brought into the healthcare space are really aiding our quest to really bring down the costs. Now, just to give you a couple of examples, if we are using telemedicine, it is saving huge cost to everybody, for everybody, be it the patients, be it the the companies who are actually running this whole thing. So you're trying to really create some value or add some value to the whole thing. Similarly, we do a bunch of stuff, using AI, using some kind of making some generative algorithms and all. So how we go about doing it is really we create the back-end algorithms and try to augment the work of histopathologists, or something, using the technology. Can we do the auto validation of some reports which are mundane reports, which are very, very ordinary reports? So similarly, I think there are a bunch of examples I can give to you where technology is used to the hilt to actually bring down the costs.
So thank you, sir. And one more question: is it possible to align the patient needs with the organizational profitability? If yes, then how can this be done?
Obviously, I think the whole point is that it's about doing the right thing. If we talk about patients, the most important thing that comes to my mind is that healthcare has to be outcome driven, right? So instead of doing the stuff piecemeal, so it's not about the number of procedures that we intend to do. It's about whether the person who is coming to a hospital or coming to a diagnostic sector gets a conclusive diagnosis or a proper treatment, so that person is, he's gotten rid of all the ailments what he has, right, or she has, right? So clearly what we see is that, if we are, just to give an example, if you are testing the patient on multiple parameters at one go, it'll do two things to the patient. One is that we'll have a conclusive diagnosis. A treatment can start earlier, and also what will happen in the process is that, as you are aware, cost of diagnosis is only a fraction of cost of treatment. So if you're doing something which is on the preventive side, or you're doing something which is as a panel or something where you're able to decipher the ailment at the first stage itself, then probably the expense is going to reduce as a whole for the patient. So it will be lighter on the pocket of the patients.
It's a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.